Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M01 Core and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this settings bar. Now we have to pick the second from the right button so we can get access to our aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4, let's pick this once again and move to 9 and 16. And as you can see, the background has changed to the longer one, so this is how it works. Another tap to the second from the right button and we can pick 1 and 1 ratio, the square one, and once again let's tap here to go to the full one. And now we have the full camera frame. And that's all, this is how to change it. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.